Here's how to edit an existing Google form. I'll open it from Google Drive since that's where most people keep theirs. Double-click the form file and it opens in the Google Forms editor. The editor shows all your questions stacked down the middle. To rewrite anything, just click the question text. The whole block switches into typing mode. I'll change email to work email so the question is clear to whoever fills it out. Same goes for the form title and description at the top. Click either one and type. To add a new item, use the slim toolbar on the right side. The plus button adds a new question below the one you've selected. I'll add a start date question. Type start date. Now open the question type drop-down and change it from multiple choice to short answer, because you want a single date, not set options. If you need an image or video, the image and video buttons sit right below the plus. Click one, upload the file, and it becomes its own block. For a new page section, click the section button. That drops in a section header and splits the form at that point. Deleting something is just the trash icon on the question block. I'll hover over an old test question and remove it. If you trash the wrong thing, use the undo arrow at the top left or Ctrl-Z. Don't leave a broken duplicate question in a live form because responses can still come in. Now reorder. Every question block has a 6-dot handle at the top center. Grab that handle, drag it up or down, and a gray line appears where the question will drop. I'll move start date above work email. Sections don't drag the same way. Click the 3-dot menu on the section header and choose Move Section. A small dialog lists your sections, so pick the spot and click Move. The whole section and everything inside it moves together. Once your edits are done, click the preview eye at the top. It opens the live form in a new tab exactly as a respondent sees it. I use this to verify the new section splits at the right spot and required questions show the red asterisk. Then go back and click Send. In the Link tab, tick Shorten URL and copy that link before you share it, so you're not sending an enormous Google Forms address. If you already sent the old form, the same link picks up your changes because the form isn't duplicated. If this saved you a few minutes, hit like and subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.